Today we are going to learn 10th standard exercise 1.2 fourth sum. Represent each of the given relation by an arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form wherever possible. Here two questions are there, Roman letter 1 and Roman letter 2. First we'll learn Roman letter 1. Here inside the sets x comma y where x equals to 2y, x belongs to 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and y belongs to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, given function is x is equals to 2y. From this function we'll find the value of y so that we can sub the value of x in the equation. So 2y means 2 into y. If you want to find y, 2 will come to the denominator. So the value of y is x by 2. Now we'll sub the values of x. X values we should sub 2, 3, 4, 5 one by one in this equation. When x is equals to 2, then y is equals to, in the place of x you should write these numbers. So 2 divided by 2, 2 divides 2 one time. Next x is equals to 3, so y equals to 3 by 2. Next x is equals to 4, y equals to 4 by 2, 2 divides 4 2 times. Then x is equals to 5, y equals to 5 by 2. Now we'll draw an arrow diagram and a graph and a roster form. So arrow diagram, the values of x is 2, 3, 4, 5 and the value of y given in the question is 1, 2, 3, 4. When we sub the value of 2, we got the answer 1. So 2 is mapped to 1 and 3 we don't have 3 by 2 in y and in 4 is mapped to 2 and 5 by 2 is not in y value. So that's all. This is about the arrow diagram. Next graph. You have to draw the graph with the measurement given in the scale. You don't write your own measurement. So first point is 2 comma 1. So here in the x-axis we have to see 2. In the y-axis we have to see 1. Next we have 4 comma 2. In the x-axis 4 comma 2 means first number represent the x-axis, second number represent the y coordinates. So 4 comma 2. C will find the roster form. R is equals to 2 is mapped to 1 and 4 is mapped to 2. So that's all. Now we'll come to the second question, Roman letter 2. So x comma y where y equals to x plus 3, x comma y are natural numbers less than 10. They are given that x and y values are natural numbers and it should be less than 10. So we'll write the x value 1 to natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the value of y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now given equation in the question is y equals to x plus 3. We'll sub all the values of x in this equation. When x is equals to 1, y equals to, in the place of x we'll write all the values of x. So 1 plus 3, 4. Next 2 plus 3, 5. Next 3 plus 3, 6. Till 9 we have to sub. So 4 plus 3, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 9 plus 3, 12. So when you sub the value of 1, your answer is 4. When you sub the value of 2, your answer is 5. When 3, 6. When you sub the value of 4, you got the answer 6. 5, 8, 6, 9. So only till this we have number. So remaining here 10, 11, 12 is not in the y. So we first will write the roster form. When you sub the value of 1, your answer is 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8 and 6 comma 9. These values when x equals to 7, you got the answer 10. 7 comma 10, 8 comma 11, 9 comma 12 is not there. So we'll write the roster form till this one and we'll draw an arrow diagram for this one and graph. So from 1 you got the answer 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 6 comma 9. 7 comma we don't have the here. So this is the roster form and graph. So the first point in the x coordinates and the second point in the y coordinate you have to plot. The plotting should be done only using the scale. You don't write your own measurement. So your next question is fifth one. So what is, I'll tell you shortly what is given in the question. There are 3 managers, 5 assistants, 4 clerk and 2 executive officers are there. The salary allotted to them are, for the assistants 10,000 and for the clerk 25,000 and for the managers 50,000 and for the executive officers 1 lakh. They asked us to find out the ordered pair and arrow diagram. So we'll write the ordered pair here. For that, assistants 5 of them are there. For them the salary allotted are, so 10,000 for assistant 1, assistant 2, assistant 3, assistant 4 and assistant 5. And for the clerk the salary is 25,000. 25,000, 25,000. For the 3 managers the allotments is 50,000, and for the executive 1 lakh. Same thing we'll write in the arrow diagram. So 10,000 is allotted for assistant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 25,000 for the clerk 1, 2, 3, 4, and 50,000 for the managers, manager 1, 2, 3, and 1 lakh for the executive officers E1 and E2. So this is given briefly in this question. It is very, very easy. So looking at the question, you don't get frightened. It is a very big question. It is very, very easy. Thank you, children. Any doubt? Please comment.